Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. Again, ICI has been coming up with a lot of announcements nowadays. Today on 19th, I think this is 4th or 5th announcement, but this is very relevant and very important announcement for November 2020 students as it is regarding the change of certain examination center or minor correction in address. I would remind you about 1 to 2 days back also the institute had this notification in which certain centers were changed and there were minor corrections. If you have not seen that video, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can check out that video as well. Today again, institute is coming up with certain changes. Please look into the matter. It is important as there may be a change in your venue as well. So it is hereby informed that due to unavoidable circumstances, certain examination centers, they have been changed. So to check out which venues have changed, watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Starting with the Delhi, the existing venue for the students for all the students, just check out the remarks for all the students who are going to sit in Alcon Public School, Mayur Vihar will now sit in Lady Irwin Senior Secondary School, gate number 1, Srimad Madhav Rao Sindhya Marg, New Delhi. So please check out for all the students from Delhi who are going to sit in Elhon Public School will now sit in. The new venue is Lady Irwin Senior Secondary School. For Maharashtra, Mumbai, again for all the students who are going to sit in R.A. Podders College of Commerce and Economics Autonomous will now sit in Bant Sanghas Higher Education Institutions, Shashi Manmohan Shetty Higher Education Complex. So please check out the venues very carefully. So if you are residing in Delhi or Mumbai and if you are sitting in these venues, the existing venues are there in your admit cards. Now they have been shifted to the new venues. Please check out. Moving further to Ahmedabad, which is in Gujarat, please look in the remarks. This is only for foundation students, that too partial shifting only. Very important. Just look carefully. In Ahmedabad, for the foundation students who are in Ahmedabad, there is just partial shifting which says from roll number 602667 to 602716 only. Only these roll numbers are being shifted from Sheetal Saurabh Higher Secondary School, Akash Metro City, Varahi Nagar to Nelson's English School near Ranjit Society, Uttam Nagar. So please do take a note, only foundation students, that too partially, not all the foundation students, only the foundation students who have roll numbers from 602667 to 602716 only. They are being shifted from Sheetal Saurabh Higher Secondary School to Nelson's English School. Then moving forward to Tirunelveli, which is in Tamil Nadu, for all the students who are going to sit in St. Xavier's College Autonomous will now sit in St. John's College High Ground Road. Then for Chennai, there is no venue change, there's just a correction. It is just in the connection of the city pin code. There was a little bit correction in the pin code, but the venue is same, so no need to worry about that. So accordingly, candidates are advised to take note of the above mentioned change in venue, minor correction in the address, and appear in their examinations at the new venue as mentioned above. Such candidates may take note that admit cards already issued will remain valid for the new venue. Also, all other details remain unchanged and stay in touch with the site. So it's very important. Please keep checking the notifications of ICAI. I am updating you as soon as possible, and there was I'll link all the relevant announcements for November 2020 in the description box below, so you can go and check all the announcements as they are coming. And here also the admit cards which were already issued, you have to take that only. That will be valid at the new venue. Also know that there will be no new issuance of admit card or anything like that. You have to take all that things only, and all other details remain unchanged. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you found the video informative. Hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, as I'm putting a lot of effort in making these videos as soon as possible, and hit the bell icon for all the updates.